Let's talk about the latest launched Xiaomi smartphone Redmi 14C with refined and stylish design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.88 inches HD plus waterdrop notch. Display, resolution of 720 by 1640 pixels, 600 nits HBM brightness, approximately 89.7% screen to body ratio, approximately 260 ppi pixel density, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera, along with 0.08 megapixel auxiliary lens. For selfies it has 13 megapixel front camera, video recording. Maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of HyperOS screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core up to 2 GHz, powered by MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra chipset, paired with Mali G52MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB, 6 GB, 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 4 GB, 6 GB, 8 GB of extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of eMMC 5.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable via dedicated microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 171.88 by 77.8 by 8.22 mm, and it weighs around 204, 207, 211 grams, and the color options midnight black, sage green, dreamy purple, starry blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5160 mAh battery, with 18-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with AI face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Xiaomi Redmi 14C has been priced for 4 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 2,999 Czech koruna, while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 3,699 Czech koruna. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Xiaomi Redmi 14C smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.